Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the biggest challenge which is faced by every English learner, and the biggest challenge is they don't know how to study English. They don't have a proper plan, they don't have a proper routine that will take them from intermediate level to advanced level. They don't know how to study English constantly and how to enjoy the process of learning any new language. But you don't need to worry, because I am here for you and I have a good news for you. And the good news is that in today's video I am going to share with you a routine that if you will execute in your daily life routine, it will give you very good result. If you will execute in your daily life routine, then your English will be very fluent. So watch the video till the end, because if you skip the video, you will not be able to understand properly. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Step number 1 is activate your English part of your brain. And how will you activate? By writing. Yeah, writing is very important for learning any language. It plays a very big role for learning any new language. You should write 10 minutes daily. And what you should write? You should write something about what you plan to do today. Today's schedule. This is an important step. Do you know why? Because by this way you are warming up your brain to start operating in English. In other words, or you can say in a simple words you can understand, you are activating your brain to start operating in English who is in relaxed mode. Now clear? Whenever you are wake up in the morning, normally the first thought you have normally comes in your mother tongue. So you have to switch that thought in English. Mother tongue, it means maybe your mother tongue Bengali, Punjabi, Gujarati, Malayalam. It can be any mother tongue. So you have to start switching that mother tongue in your English. In a simple language, you can understand that you have to start thinking in English. And how will you start? And how you do this? By writing 10 minutes after wake up. It is a very good process and it is a very good idea for thinking English, because you are starting your day by English. Listen carefully, friends. One thing that I am not telling you that you have to write for 30 minutes, 40 minutes or 1 hour. You have to write only for 10 minutes, not longer, not shorter. Clear? And writing must be about your day to day. Always keep one notebook and one pen next to your bed for writing after wake up. What are you planning to do and what you have to do today? Everything is planned before wake up. What are you planning to do? Because you already have an idea. Maybe you are going to school, maybe you are going to college, maybe you are going to office, maybe you have to take care of your children or parents like me. It can be anything. At the beginning stage of writing, at the beginning it's not going to be interesting. It will feel like boring, because at the initial stage of adapting any new kind of habit, it's feel very boring, but slowly it becomes your habit. At the beginning, you feel 10 minutes like 1 hour or 2 hours, but after some days, it will become your habit and it will feel like very easy. Now you have done your writing session, 10 minutes writing session. Now come to the second step, and second step is input. Something input in your mind, new information. And how will you input? Input, you can input by listening. What you should listen? You can listen anything and everything, whatever you are interested in. But you have to listen at least for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Listen carefully, friends, that I am not telling you that you have to listen for 30 minutes, 40 minutes and 1 hour. I am telling you that you have to listen only for 10 minutes. Not longer, not shorter. You can listen anything, but it should be in English language. Like if you're interested in movies, then you can watch movies, you can listen movies. If you're interested in commentary, then you can listen commentary for 10 minutes. You can listen series, If you are interested in series, you can listen podcast for 10 minutes. You can watch and also listen 10 minutes cartoons. Whatever you are interested in, there is no any criteria and there is no any foundation. You can also watch food blogs. It is also comes in English. There are many videos available in YouTube in English. Many people, when they wake up, they start listening bhajan kirtan. Just like if you are a learner of English, then you should start listening English songs, because there are many words and many sentences are repeated again and again, and you should start repeating after the song. It will help you to improve your speaking practice. And you can also watch motivational videos, because it will gives you more energy, more power for complete your goal, for achieve your goal. So you can also watch motivational videos. It's my opinion, but you can watch whatever you are interested in: movies, Netflix series, cartoons, whatever, only for 10 minutes. Clear? While watching videos or while listening videos, you are going to learn many new words. While watching videos and enjoying videos, if something pop-ups, it can be new words or it can be expression. If you don't understand, then write it down in your notebook and try to find that word. This is very important step, because in by this way we are inputting many new information into our brain. In a simple words, you can understand that you are inputting many new vocabulary into your brain, and it will help you to communicate in real life whenever you are communicating with other people. Number third step is research. You have to research at least for 15 minutes daily. Why you have to research? Because this is very important step. Let me explain you how. Whenever you find the new words, you have to find the definition and expression of that word. This is very important step, because it will help you to understand English properly. It will enhance your understanding in English, to help you understand things in English easily. Putting things into English in your brain, it helping you to understand English very easily, properly, and whenever someone is speaking English in front of you very fast, then you can catch that sentences and that words and understand very easily, because it helping you to actually finding the meaning and actually learn the meaning easily. So it's a very important process. You should not skip that process. It helping you to know the actually real meaning of that word, and you should use that word in your real life conversation. It is very helpful. Focus on your goal, that what is your main goal. Your goal is understanding the expression and understanding the meaning of that word, whatever native speaker used while speaking in his conversation or in his conversation. So your main goal is to understand that expression and the way they are using that word. This is the main goal. Number fourth step is application. Start applying all three steps in your daily life routine. Number one is writing, number two is listening, and number three is finding research, new words and expression. So start applying all these three steps in your real life conversation and start speaking daily and using that words in your daily life conversation. Then it will work, otherwise it will not. Whatever you are learning and whatever you are listening something from other person, you should start using that words, that expression in your real life routine. Then it will help you to improve your English, otherwise it will not help. So I'm ending my video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening.